Hey guys, this is Shivam and today I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone's errors like 4013 and 4014 and how you can fix iPhone stuck on recovery mode, and also if you are on iOS 14, and I'll show you how you can downgrade and restore your device. When trying to upgrade or restore iPhone software using iTunes, there is always the possibility that you will get an error like 4013, 4014. The error message that will display is usually the iPhone could not be restored. An error occur like 4014. This basically means that iTunes can't communicate with your iPhone and is usually due to the hardware failure. So these all of the problem we are going to fix with the one tool called Reboot by Tenorshare. Now if you click on the link in the description, you will head over to this website called Tenorshare Reboot. So as you can see here, you can fix all of the problem they already mentioned here, and you can get in one click recovery mode and all of the stuffs here they mention, like here fix 1043 and with the data loss and all that stuff. As I mentioned, downgrade to iOS 14 beta, if you are on iOS 13 without losing the data also for iPad OS. So it is fully compatible with the newest iPhone SE second version and iPhone 14, 13.6 and iPad OS 13.6 and more. So you can get the software from here for the Mac and for the Windows, and you can download free or pro version. So once you download, you will see the Tenorshare, which is very clean and neat looking, and from here you can fix all of them. So now I'll show you my device. I am using iPhone SE. Just connect your device to the computer. So as you can see, as soon as I connect my device, it's pop up like this. I have mobile iPhone SE, and now as you can see it is connected to the Reboot software. Now there is one click to enter into the recovery mode. So now as you can see, the device is entering into the recovery mode. There we go, we are in the recovery mode, and now we can fix any problem you want from here. If you found this doesn't help you in a recovery mode, so just exit out of here, and then you have to look for the third option. So when you exit out of here, you can see that iPhone is now exiting from recovery mode, and my device is now restarting. So as you can see, it is completely restarted, and now we are exited from the recovery mode successfully. If you want to repair operating system, like fix all of iOS problem like recovery mode, Apple logo, black screen and other 50 plus solution without data loss from the Reboot Pro, so you can check out here, and this is the Pro version. So if you enter into this, you will have the standard option where you can fix all of the iOS problems without data loss. Stuck on Apple logo, recovery mode loop, black screen and all the issues. Now once you click on the fix, it will take you to the next window, and as you can see it is now connected, and prior to repair, please confirm your model info and download matching firmware package. So as you can see, I'm iPhone SE on version 13.5, 13.6 is going to upload. And now to fix your thing, you have to download this firmware, which I'll show you right now. If you head over to this website ipsw.me, you can select your device, whichever device you have. I'm using iPhone SE, so I'm going to select iPhone SE. Now as you can see, this is the signed version right now, iOS 13.6, and these are the unsigned version, which you can't downgrade to this and you can't upgrade to this. So you might be here or somewhere. I'm on 13.5, so I'm going to upgrade to 13.6. Or if you are on iOS 14, you can downgrade to 13.6. So you can download from here directly. As you can see, I have downloaded from here. Or maybe, like if you think it's taking a time. So as you can see, downloading the firmware package. So it is around 3.50 GB. So now as you can see, downloading the firmware package, it will take some time. Please wait a moment. Let's say this is not successfully done, and if your network is slow, so you can head over to download firmware fail. Click copy to download through browser. So as you can see, we can get the copy from wherever you want, and we can basically get that here. And now let's say you have already firmware. So already got a firmware, click here to import firmware from here. So click on this, and you can choose the path where I have this right here. As you can see, I already downloaded this iPhone 4.6, and as you can see, I already have this firmware. So click on open. Now when you click on repair, now You just click on repair now and it will start. Now as you can see, it is going to wipe out all the data from the device, and it is going to fix all kind of problem from your device. So as you can see, now my device is now restored and it is turned into the black, and now it is going to verify, it is going to repair my device. So by this way you can solve all of your problems. So as you can see, it is repairing now. So don't do anything unless it is completed, and after that, after the device restart, the program will continue repairing automatically. Please do not disconnect the device or close the iPhone during this process. So once it is done, I'll get back to you. As you can see, the device is now restoring. So as you can see, the first process has been completed and now device is completely restoring. As you can see, the repairing process is completed and it is completely restored the data, and it is not deleted anything from here. So as you can see, we have iCloud password here. So all of the apps are available here. Which iOS I'm running right now? I'm running on iOS 13.6. So as you can see, without data loss, we just recover iPhone and it is completely working fine. There is one more thing, like if this method doesn't work for you, you always have the deep repair here, so you can fix from here. If the standard mode fails to work, please try deep repair. So make sure you have enough power to do this process. Deep repair will erase all your data from the device, so make sure you take a backup. That's it. So you can fix from here the same method. Okay, just now we did, it's the same method. So for me, it's fixed from the normal mode. This will definitely work. So hope you guys understand. Now let's talk about, if you scroll down on this website, we have all the things. As you can see, stuck on Apple logo and black screen stuck, frozen screen, recovery mode, white screen, disable iPhone, more iTunes error like 10113 and 1014. Just now we fix the issue. Anything you can fix from here. You have the free version, which is you can easily enter into recovery mode and exit from the recovery mode. So there is a free trial. If you want to upgrade to the pro version, I'll leave the coupon code in the description. You can use that coupon code to avail the offer, 30% discount. So this tool will definitely solve your problem. So try 10OutShare Reboot. This is world's #1 iPhone recovery mode tool. Don't forget to try this, and I'll leave a link in the description. You can try that out and you will get 30% discount. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit that bell icon to get notified, and I'll catch you in the next video. This is Shivam signing off, and it's always peace.